AI Engine, Python ML program, for school timetable prediction for January 2025. Chapter 1, Functional. Please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Author's video and white paper on AI engines. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI architect. School timetable. The table is generated by AI Engine, Python ML program using various Python libraries. Process 1. Training historical dataset 2. Test dataset 3. Unseen data to mature AI engine for prediction. The role of the hidden layer /s is /r to 1 process the data for the training period 2 AI engine testing period 3 process unseen data for prediction. To mature AI engine. 1 table /s data. A table is a visual representation that organizes data in a structured grid format with rows and columns. Table is used in dashboards to display detailed information. 2 Purpose of tables. Quantitative comparisons. Tables work well for quantitative comparisons where you examine multiple values for a single category. Exact values. Unlike visual charts or graphs, tables present data in a raw form, allowing you to review and compare exact values. 3 Key features. Rows and columns. Tables consist of rows, representing individual data points, and columns, representing different attributes or measures. Headers. Tables often include headers for each column, providing context for the data. Total. Tables have a row for totals, summarizing values across all rows. 4 Examples of table usage. In an educational context, a table displays class schedules with columns for teachers, subjects, rooms, days of the week, and class numbers. 5 Interactivity. In interactive dashboards, tables can be the source or target of actions. Tables/s are valuable tools for presenting detailed information efficiently. They allow users to explore data, make comparisons, and gain insights. Timetable dashboard, pie chart. The pie chart representing the school timetable. 1 Pie chart overview. The pie chart visually represents the distribution of teaching periods among different teachers. Each segment of the pie corresponds to a teacher, and the size of the segment indicates the proportion of periods they teach. 2 Teacher allocation. The chart includes the following teachers. Mr. Kumar teaches 42 periods, 22.11% of the total. Mrs. Patel handles 46 periods, 20% of the total. Mr. Sharma conducts 30 periods, 17.89% of the total. Ms. Singh manages 38 periods, 24.21% of the total. Ms. Sunita leads 34 periods, 15.79% of the total. 3 Color legend. The legend on the right associates colors with each teacher's name. For example, Mr. Kumar's segments are blue, Mrs. Patel's are purple, and so on. 4 Insights. This chart allows us to compare the workload of different teachers. Mrs. Patel has the highest number of periods, while Mr. Sharma has the fewest. In summary, the pie chart provides a clear visual breakdown of teaching responsibilities. About checkbox. 1 What is a checkbox? A checkbox is a graphical user interface, GUI, element that allows users to make binary choices. It typically represents a yes/no or true/false option. When selected, a checkbox displays a checkmark, or a filled square, indicating that the associated option is chosen. 2 Key characteristics. Appearance. A checkbox appears as a small square box next to a label or text. Interaction. Users can click or tap the checkbox to toggle its state, checked or unchecked. State. A checkbox can be in one of 2 states. Checked indicates that the option is selected. Unchecked indicates that the option is not selected. 3 Common use cases. Form inputs. Checkboxes are commonly used in forms for user input. For example, selecting preferences, example receive newsletters, agree to terms and conditions. Choosing options, example vegetarian, express delivery. Settings. In software applications, checkboxes allow users to customize settings or enable/disable features. To-do lists. Checkboxes are often used to mark completed tasks on to-do lists. The dashboard, AI engine, Python ML program for school timetable forecast for January 2025. Dashboard, functional. About dashboard generated by an AI engine using Python for school timetable forecasting in January 2025. Breakdown of the dashboard. The dashboard data is from an AI engine using the Python ML program for school timetable forecasting for January 2025. Let's break down the details. 1. Table of classes and teachers. On the left side, the table listing teachers' names, subjects they teach, days of the week, room numbers, and class times. Each row represents a different class or session. For example, Mr. Kumar teaches history in room 4 on Fridays for class 9. 2. Subject distribution pie chart. In the center, there's a pie chart showing the distribution of subjects. Math, 21%, Science, 17%, and English, 12%, are the most prominent subjects. 3. Index by teacher and subject. On the right side, there's another table titled Index by Teacher and Subject, which provides additional details about teachers and their subjects. 4. Day of the week. Below the second table, there's a section listing days from Friday to Thursday. 5. Time indicators. At the bottom, 2 horizontal bars represent time. 6. Room legend. The legend in the bottom right corner correlates colors with room numbers, example room 1 is blue, room 2 is green. This dashboard showcases how machine learning can efficiently handle educational administration tasks like scheduling classes while considering various variables. Management summary, AI-powered school timetable prediction. This document outlines the development of an AI engine using a Python machine learning program to predict school timetables for January 2025. Key features. Machine learning model, a Python program utilizing various libraries trains on historical data to predict future timetables. Dashboard functionality, the resulting dashboard displays the predicted timetable in an easy-to-understand format. Data visualization. O tables, list classes, teachers, subjects, days, rooms, and times. O pie charts, visually represent subject distribution and teacher workload. Benefits. Efficiency, automates school timetable creation, potentially saving time and resources. Insights, provides a clear view of teacher workload and subject distribution. Target audience. This information is relevant to school administrators, and anyone interested in the application of machine learning in educational administration. Next steps. The model is currently predicting for January 2025. Further development could enable real-time predictions for future semesters. Note: the document includes additional information on checkboxes and table usage, which may not be directly relevant to the AI engine or timetable prediction. The AI engine powered by machine learning demonstrates the potential for streamlining school administration tasks like creating timetables. By automating this process, AI can free up valuable time and resources for educators. Furthermore, the insights generated from the data, such as teacher workload and subject distribution, can inform better decision-making within the school. As machine learning continues to develop, we can expect even more innovative applications that will benefit educational institutions in the future. Thanks.